Everything begins at the grocery store, but navigating a grocery store for healthy options can be really stressful and difficult to many people, especially athletes, since diet greatly impacts performance. And most of the people don't know where to begin or which foods to add to the cart, because colorful packaging, deceptive claims, and hidden ingredients can make it really difficult to decide whether the food is truly healthy or not. So if you're an athlete juggling with a busy schedule and have a tight budget, then make sure you stick around till the end, as I am going to share basics of healthy grocery shopping so that you can get in, get out, and get back on the court fast. Welcome back to my channel. I am Rashmi Cherian, registered dietitian and sports and exercise nutritionist. And if you are new to my channel, then please subscribe and hit that bell icon so that you get notified about my new uploads. So before you go to a grocery store, first look into these two things. Number one, check out what's there in your cupboard and what are the things you need and don't need. And number two, check out what are the foods you need for the snacks or the meals for the coming week. So once both these things are figured out, it becomes much easier to plan a grocery list. And this way you can stay on track and remember all the things you need. So the first main question is, what does a high performance grocery shopping list include? So athletes, let's assume your shopping cart is like a plate, and for good performance, you need to eat good quality proteins, energy boosting carbohydrates, healthy fats, and colors. And if any of these are missing, then figure out which are the performance foods are lacking and then add them in. So overall, a good grocery list for athletes should include foods that will help to fuel the body for optimum performance. It mostly includes fresh whole foods, which will help in decreasing inflammation and support post-workout recovery. So before I get into the actual grocery store plan, I would like to share a few tips to help you in grocery shopping. And the first one is pretty common and many of you might have heard multiple times, and that is never go hungry. And I feel it should be the golden rule of grocery shopping. Think about it, guys. How many times you have gone to grocery store and came out with 8 to 10 extra items that were not even in your list? So avoid shopping on empty stomach. Next tip is to make a list before you shop and stick to it. Plan ahead and write it down. For example, if you go to a store over a weekend, then think and write down all the things you are going to eat during the week. This task may take little extra time, but eventually it will save you from running back and forth to the store. This leads to my next tip, and that is to have a list of core ingredients. Now, what does that mean? So see guys, whenever you go to a store, make sure you have some 8 to 10 core food items that you know you are going to purchase every time. And this core list can include some nuts, milk, 2-3 fruits and vegetables, then some grains like brown rice, etc. And now these foods can be mix match and something good can be always created. Now an athlete doesn't need biscuits, chips, cookies, cakes, ice creams on a weekly basis, because these foods are not a part of high performance grocery shopping list. Yes, you heard it right. These foods are not required for good performance on a regular basis. So these core list ingredients will not only help you to eat healthy and balanced meals, but will also save your time and money. My next tip is to eat fresh fruits and vegetables in season, as that way you will get maximum nutrients possible. Also look for local farmers market for fresh fruits and vegetables. Next important tip is to eat with a purpose irrespective of your level in the sport. For example, pick up those fruits and vegetables which have anti-inflammatory properties like pineapple, green leafy vegetables, etc. And for more details on anti-inflammatory foods, make sure you check out this video. Link is given on top and in the description box below. Moving on to my next tip, which is to read the labels, especially read ingredient list. I always educate my athletes to look for products in which ingredient list is small and recognizable. Avoid foods with artificial colorings, flavor, partially hydrogenated oil, trans fat, MSG, etc. Don't fall for marketing gimmicks. Just because something is labeled natural, low fat, gluten free, they are not healthy. So make sure you read the food label, and if you can't understand, then make sure to take the help of your sports nutritionist. And lastly, don't forget to rotate food items. Now, what do I mean by this? So suppose last month you purchased peanut butter, then next month try almond butter. Similarly, if you purchased brown rice, then next time try red rice. So rotate food items, as that way you will get more nutrients, and it's one of the best way to build immunity. So these were my few tips that will help you to do your grocery shopping with ease and on budget as well. Now I'm going to share a quick overview of all the foods you should stock up during your next grocery store visit. Let's start with the produce section. So choose 3 to 5 fresh fruits and vegetables, and make sure you stick to the seasonal ones only. Then let's move on to the cereal section. Always opt for whole grains and avoid added sugar ones. Next comes bread section. So athletes, just as cereals, opt for 100% whole wheat or whole grain bread. Make sure to read ingredient list, as lot of breads use refined grains in the name of whole grains. Now comes meat and seafood section. Always opt for fresh lean cuts. Avoid frozen ones as much as possible. Instead, I always suggest to buy extra fresh ones and freeze them what you don't need. This will save you time. And also avoid processed meats like sausages, salami, etc. as much as possible, as they are nutritionally poor. Now comes dairy section. Here also opt for low fat or fat-free dairy products. So when you are taking curd, try adding some Greek yogurt to your cart. Pick up some low-fat cheese cubes or cheese slices, as they are good in between snack with bread or fresh fruits. Next comes frozen section. I suggest not to pick up things from frozen section most of the time, except frozen fruits and vegetables, but make sure fruits are unsweetened and vegetables are without high salt seasonings. Also avoid picking up frozen meals, as they are highly processed and expensive. Next one is condiments and sauces section. So stick to low fat options and avoid creamy dressings. Pick up cold pressed oils, apple cider vinegar, then dried herbs and spices, honey and natural nut butters. Next comes fruit juices and beverages. This section is a complete no, as none of the juices are real whole juices. It's always better to opt for whole fruits. And the last one is snacks section. This is another section which is again a complete no, as snacks like chips, biscuits, cookies, candies have no place in athletes' diet who want to perform best. So instead, create your own snacks like Greek yogurt with nuts, fresh fruits with peanut butter or cheese, bread with peanut butter, then hummus with vegetables, etc. So in short, athletes, when you are at a store, keep these 5 things in mind. Number 1, purchase only whole foods. Number 2, avoid purchasing foods based on packaging. Number 3, read food labels and ingredient list. Number 4, avoid purchasing items not on your list. And number 5, stick to your plan. So athletes, your health and performance are on your plate. So it's important to shop with your brain and not with your stomach. So I hope grocery shopping will not be difficult and stressful for you anymore. Let me know in the comments below your favorite food that you purchase every time. And if you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.